The expectations are much more positive this year than they were the last one. And I know that last year we already had record numbers in terms of online purchases. So I think this year, I foresee it's going to be even better. People have been saving more. I think there is more money to consume. And because of these positive expectations, we know that when there is optimism, people consume more. China is obviously an impressive performer in digital competitiveness. And China is dominant in artificial intelligence, in many of the new technologies that are going to shape the world. So I think the potential is going to be immense. And I have no doubt that in the next years, China is going to become one of the top most competitive countries at the digital space. China is going to be one of these economies that will recover very fast. Actually, we cannot even talk about Chinese recovery because the Chinese GDP even grew in 2020. I think it managed the pandemic very well by having an effective lockdown, by reducing the number of infections, and then by revamping the economy already from the very beginning. And I think it is shown in the numbers. So if we look at forecasts for economic growth, in 2021 already the IMF predicts a stellar performance, and I think this is going to continue. I think the Chinese model brings a new model of prosperity. The Chinese growth is transforming more and more into prosperity.